Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's video, we will show you how to install Outlook Express 2019. Open the web browser. Paste a link you can find in the description box below. Open the web page. Click on Download Outlook Express. Set the path and save the file. Open the installation file. Click Yes in the pop-up window. Click Next. Check I agree with the above terms and conditions. Click Next. Click Next and then click on Yes in the pop-up window. Click Start. Wait until it is done. If you don't have NET Framework 3.5, click on Download and install this feature. Wait until it is done. Click on Close. Click on Exit. Launch Outlook Express. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!